Let's learn letter B, it's quite a blast. Pen, a cooking friend, makes me so fast. Pen for words, it helps us write. Practice with B, it feels just right. Pen, pen, in the kitchen dance. Cooking up joy, a savory romance. Pen, pen, on paper we play. Writing our thoughts in a P-filled array. Big horn can play on the farm, it's true. A curly-tailed friend in the morning dew. Pot, a vessel for soup so hot. Pleasure in P in every cooking pot. So let's learn P with joy and cheer. Pen, pen, big pot, hold them dear. Repeat the fun, sing it again. With P in our hearts, the alphabet gain.